ezTalks is an advanced all-in-one video conferencing device for huddle rooms. It comes with a built-in HD camera, microphone, speaker and ezTalks software. It also has a TV bracket and tripod socket for different setups. ezTalks is also compatible with other VC softwares. Alright, let's get this thing set up. Connect the Ethernet cord, an HDMI cable from the TV and the power into the device. Then the ezTalks will automatically get started. Now we can put the ezTalks on top of the TV, on a tripod or mount it on the wall. The next step is to use the ezTalks app to control this room with either your PC or mobile device. So as you can see, the ezTalks turns your television into a perfect video communication device. If you're interested in learning more about this product, you can head to our website where we offer live demonstrations and free trials of the ezTalks app. We also offer 24/7 online support. See you in the next one.